Hey beauties, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are back with another video, and today's hair is provided by Ashimary hair. Now they sent me over this nice little goodie box, and it had a few goodies in it, such as a robe. It had of course the wig itself, but an eyebrow razor, an edge brush. We had our Ashimary hairband. We also have our HD wig cap. Some cute little like Halloween inspired makeup with a little skeleton hand clip and some lashes, but most importantly, of course, we have our wig. Now this is a 24-inch 360 deep wave wig, so I will be installing this wig and gluing it all around and just doing like a simple cute ponytail updo kind of look. And today I'll be using my good girl Nisha. Y'all know she's the MUA here at the shop, period. And because she has a bald head, I was like, yep, this is gonna be quick and easy, so let's get right into it. So of course I cut the extra lace from around the back area already, and I'm just going in with that Ruby Kisses foundation and applying it everywhere in the inside of the lace. And then once I'm done with that, I will go ahead and put the wig on her head to cut the extra strap from around the ears, then add my layers of adhesive so we could go ahead and get into the install. So I went ahead and did Nisha's ball cap all around. You can see I got the foundation on her little finger waves, child. And we're just going to go in with 3 layers all around her head. But first I'm going to put the wig on and make sure I cut the extra lace off the sides so I know where it's going to lay. But once I go ahead and add those layers all around, we will go ahead and tack that wig down into place. And for the most part, her wig did fit her hair pretty good. So it should be a pretty simple install to do. So after applying that 3rd layer, I'm just going to go ahead and tack the wig down in place, starting from the front first, putting the front down in place, have her hold each side. Then I will go ahead and work my way to the back of the wig, which is a pretty simple, push down or whatever, and just stretching the wig right where it needs to be and have her hold it into place. I'm going to go ahead and tack down that back and then take that melt belt and tie the melt belt down around her whole head. So now that that melt belt has done what it needed to do, we're going to go ahead and cut the extra lace from all around her head. And once we do that, we're going to go ahead and begin to style the wig up. And as I mentioned, we're just doing a simple updo ponytail, like a nice fluffy ponytail. Kind of messy, so I don't want it neat to perfection. I just want it kind of like cute and messy or whatever, but nice and fluffy, so I will end up teasing it out a little bit. But we're just going to go ahead and cut this extra lace and tack down any other areas that are still lifting, and then of course add more foundation, pull out the sections for our little sideburns and our little curl bangs, and spray it and tie it down once again. And the same with the back, you want to just really tack down those little edges, so make sure the back is completely secured down. Then I'm going to add foundation in that holding spray and tie the hairline down once again. But before I tie that hairline down the second time, I am going to pull out the drop bang pieces and the sideburns. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take the wig brush and some water and just brush the wig out and just kind of pull it up to the top so it's already kind of positioned where it needs to be, because once we do the style, it will be like a high ponytail up. So I'm just combing all the hair up forward, and I'm going to secure that with a rubber band and then remove the melt belt. And once we get that melt belt removed, we're just going to finish sleeking the ponytail up a little bit and do a quick little messy wrap around and just tease the ponytail out before we get into curling our bangs. So now I'm gonna go ahead and secure the ponytail just a little bit neater, a little bit better, and add a more holding spray if needed. But we're gonna do a nice little fluffy ponytail as I mentioned. So just pulling the hair up, and then we're going to go ahead and secure it with that rubber band and do the wrap around and tease it out to make it fluffy. Then I'm gonna raise it down the front bangs and the sideburns and curl them up with the curler, and yeah, we'll be done.
take a step out, get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've kept from losing the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, yeah, baby, you don't care. Sometimes when I be a nuisance, it's just urgent. Tryna make some little change, got me a war in my mind. Gotta let go of weight, think he was holding me. Choose the right, but it will pick up in front of me. All the while, I wave my arm, will feel when it smile. Still wanna try, still believe in good days. Always inside, good days in my mind. Help me on my fears, my never days since I disappeared. If you live, feeling like Jericho, feeling like Joe when he lost his shit. Gotta hold my own, my cross to bear a long night. Ooh, way to dip, way to kill the food. No, you like that shit.
So now I'm just kind of evening out the ponytail a little bit so it's not so like uneven, and just taking a little curler, one curl in the bang part, then I'm going to comb it out or whatever. And once that's done, I'm going to do the sideburns and just kind of take my comb and tease out the ponytail a little bit more to get up a little bit, you know, get a little bit more fluffy, and then we'll be done. So stay tuned for the finishing result. And here is the finished look. Just a simple, cute, curly, puffy ponytail with some curl sideburns and bangs. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.